What up, fellas?
What up? We're out here drinking claws.
Day 2.
Good morning.
Anyway, what's up, guys? We're here day 2, working, or more than day 2, because Adam's truck's been down for almost a week now. But anyway, we're out here. I'm not working on it, but Zach is working on it again. And yesterday or last night, I keep saying Zach got the up pipe and the down pipe almost on. Down pipe just needs to be connected down there. Yeah, lost a couple bolts, but it's all right. Adam's truck is getting closer to his EGR delete.
Set on the ground just like that. The EGR is gone.
Should we show them the wet oil that was in my fucking EGR? Alright, so everyone's always saying when you take your shit apart to delete it, you're gonna see soot and all kinds of other shit in there. I actually had literal oil in mine. As you guys,
it's a little wet from the rain, but
this is also rainwater, so I'm not trying to say that it was this bad, although it was. So there was literal oil in my EGR, so I know some smart fuck is gonna go in the comments and say that's because of this and this, so please do that, because I really am worried about that. But I'm hoping that it's no problem and that the truck runs fine as soon as we delete it, but that shit was fucked. Whoa. That's how a screwdriver works?
Some of these clips you just gotta break.
Whoa. Yeah. Super sick.
Correct.
Holy fuck.
that's why I don't buy a piece of shit ass Duramax. You gotta fucking delete them to make them run.
Oh. Zach, what do you have to say about that?
Since you added Duramax performing.
Gonna have that.
What?
You're gonna have that.
Well, I probably look like a clown because I think my Cummins is fast. Nah, my truck isn't fast at all.
My mini bike would be
That's going a little too far.
Guys, it's going to be nearly impossible to video this, but basically, you guys can see, once I stick it in there, you're literally going to have to see and feel for it.
Only that. Alright. You're good. Belt off.
Wow, dude, I'm learning so much. Wow. Duramax engines.
Startling.
Adam's like the little kid and you're like the dad, and then he gets all happy when he gets to help. He's holding the flashlight like the little Yoda. Chilling.
Dude, we just fucking got my turbo out. We're gonna go show everyone in here.
Over 2 guys.
Dude, look at my fucking turbo. He just shut this motherfucker out. Really? Dude, feel how heavy that motherfucker is.
I'm good.
It's like a 62 millimeter turbo right there.
30 pound, 25.
Pretty crazy looking turbo you got there. Jack, do you have one of those? It's like 20 pounds.
It's a big boy.
Dude, you could kill someone with that.
No, I'm pretty sure you do have one of those.
Jonathan? Jack,
What up, Tom?
Trying to put a turbo on your truck or your car?
yeah, throw it in the Camry.
No, that's not a turbo, right? That's a fucking alternator.
Jack, that's what I was thinking. On your car. I'm pretty sure
fuck. You got the goddamn. He knew. Nate was laughing the whole fucking time.
That's why I said you got one. You sure you don't
He said he pulled my turbo.
Car guys don't, trucker car guys don't know shit about cars. And fucking Jack was like, oh, this, wow, man, this is pretty heavy. I was like, yeah, it's like a 2 millimeter turbo.
This hose does need to come off back.
Getting shit done. So Holmes, I pull up with the fucking gat, Holmes. So I'm talking about, homie. Pull up to my crib, you're gonna get a shot. Yeah. Holy shit, dude, that
What
took
a
us
fucking pain in the ass.
that fucking Y bridge.
And there's my bolt.
Look how cake that thing is too.
Yeah, just what your motor's getting in. We need to take out this fucking intake air temp sensor. Beer time, boys.
Dude, Adam's got rats in his fucking truck. Look at all them rat turds down there. Might be hard to see on camera, but
You can probably see that all right. Let's just give it to him. Pull him out and give it to him. Look, there's rats in my truck, so I am a fucking rat. No, look, I took my truck apart 3 months ago and I didn't have the courage. I didn't have the courage to call the mechanic for the last 2 months and 3 weeks. So I called him last week, and with all that sitting, I began to develop rats. And you know, it's not as bad as my bed is, so I'm kind of thankful for that. But rats don't bug me, you know. They're already in the cab of the truck. They sleep with me every night. Doesn't bug me too much, but at least I have Zach here to fix it. He said that after he's done doing the EGR delete, he's gonna go with rat poison. He's gonna clean every square inch of my engine bay and engine, turbo, all the new parts he's putting on. He's gonna put this rat disinfectant on, this sort of stuff. All my wiring harness he's replacing. He's replacing too. So I'm pretty excited. So can you tell them about that?
Exactly which part?
you made no sense.
We'll put a rat trap in there overnight, yeah? What else? A peanut butter on it.
Hey, this is my stock Y bridge. 07 Classic 2500 LBZ Duramax. Just came off right now. This is grease, because I've been working hard drinking these fucking claws. Let's wait for these fuckers to come out so we can tell them it's my air intake. Let's tell them this is my fucking air intake.
That is kind of...
This is my fucking air intake. Let's
That's an air filter. This is...
Okay, what should I tell them? This is my fucking transmission fucking... Oh, what? What am I
No,
saying?
tell them that's your starter.
Alright, that's a good one.
This fool's passed out. He drank too much.
Look at all this thing. Oh god. Yeah, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, Adam. So this is pointing forward on the driver's side, and this is pointing forward on the passenger side. So,
What's that mean?
so you need to flip the the passenger side, because it's fucking up the pinion. It's making the pinion over worse.
I get you now.
Yeah, well, they did. I just showed up here, but one of the leaves is flipped around on this side, and it's making the angle of the tire all fucked up.
Son of a bitch. Put this away when you work.
So Luigi, what you got going on?
I fucked up.
Like, what are you putting on your truck?
Oh, alright. Fucking 6-inch lift, rough country.
And what year is the truck?
76, so I got a fucking smile.
Fuck yeah. Got them exhausts. Oh, you gotta cut off the mufflers next.
Fucking long tube headers in a cam.
But yeah, dude. 6-inch lift going on.
We're gonna have to do a race video between the Cummins and this. Fuck. Oh, you showed him it's going in the Chevy?
Yeah, this is going in the Chevy. Nah, fuck.
Get a light. Get a light.
This is fucking nasty, dude.
Jesus fucking Christ, Bubba.
Get it done.
Hammer down. Oh.
Well, we didn't do too much to that Chevy. Yeah, I'm trying to get some food though. I'm freaking hungry. Adam's over here puking. Let's go, Adam.
You good now?
I'm still decorating the gravel.
What?
Son of a bitch. Get it done, dude. Fucking
Get it out. I'm trying to go. I'm hungry. Need some food.
On your knees. Come on, run that little fork.
Boys, you got puke on your fucking birth certificate.
All right.
You got puke on your fucking birth certificate. That's a new one.
All right.
Your birth certificate looks like it has this on it.
And what's this? Decorated gravel?
Decorated
Are you gonna?
Decorated gravel! Motherfucker.
Adam, yak that shit up, dude. You need to do it. Yeah, you're too fucked.
Well, that's it for the drunk Adam segment of this video.
I just needed a vape.
Alright guys, so I know this video was kind of, you know, all over the place, so let me explain a few things. It is straight downpouring right now, if you guys can hear it. Oh my god, dude. Trying to interrupt my video. So, I was going to explain everything that happened in this video. This is kind of like towards the end of the video. I have one more part after this of us starting Adam's truck for the first time after the EGR delete. But anyway, like I said, it's kind of all over the place, this video. The first part of the video was, I don't remember what I filmed, but I think the first part of the video that I filmed was us doing Adam's EGR delete. We were finishing it up. That was a couple days ago. And then we went ahead and stopped after we got the Y bridge out. Holy shit, it is raining all over everything in here. My whole like workstation is all wet. I'm about to find a way to cover that up or something. But yeah, so Zach took his Y bridge out and we stopped there, and he came back the next day. I think we finished it on Friday actually. So we stopped right there, had a few beverages. I didn't, I was sober the whole time, but we went over to, I was a DD, but we went over to our friend Garrett's house and they were putting on Luigi's lift on his 75 or 76 Chevy. I don't remember what it was, but they were putting a 6-inch lift on his truck. The thing looks sick now. We left before they even finished it because when we got there, they were just tightening up the last bolts on the leaf springs on the back, and then we stopped and just hung out, and then we ended up leaving, me and Adam. But yeah, right there, we got there and they went ahead and put one of them backwards because they don't have any arrows to indicate which part of the leaf spring goes forward. So they actually found out that there's this little shim on the bottom that tells you which way to put it. But they went ahead and flipped that around and they got the lift all put together. We weren't there for that, so I didn't record any of it. And then after that, Adam is passed out. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that happened in this video. So if you guys have any other questions of what went on during that video, leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you if you have any questions. I know this video is all over the place. I'm sorry for that. But it is what it is, so I'm explaining it to you guys right now. But yeah, last part of this video is Adam's EGR delete getting put on and him finally starting his truck up after a week of not driving. Adam, you want to say anything?
It's stormy as fuck out.
Dude, I know, bro.
This is crazy. Dude, I let the dog out and I fucking got in the shower and I got out. I was like, oh, he's soaked already. This is crazy.
Yeah, dude, like.
But yeah, my truck looks way better since it's been deleted. My truck looks a lot better since it's deleted, if you guys can't tell. So yeah.
But anyway, yeah, enjoy the last final clips of us starting Adam.
That's what I want to say. The downpipe makes it sound a lot better.
Yeah, so thanks for watching. Enjoy these last couple clips of us starting Adam's Duramax. How much do you think that little fucking thing costs?
This is my friend's. So, I don't know.
I'm just guessing that it's Snap-on. That was probably at least like 150.
No, it's probably more than that.
More than that?
Shit, they raped, dude.
If you guys are Snap-on dealers, how much does this little tiny set, I guess item numbers 106 BTMX, little tiny set, I guess 150, he said is probably more than that.
A little tiny, but this is a handy set. So
you can go to Harbor Freight, probably get that shit for $10, but
they
quality.
They don't sell long scented Harbor Freight. I know.
But yeah, day 3
of working on it for 2 hours on the day.
Yeah, he comes over here right at like
fucking dark.
Yeah, he comes over here right at dark, and we take like one thing off, and then he's like, I'm done, come back the next day. So yesterday we got the Y bridge off, or Zach man got the Y bridge off,
That's what they call it.
and he's just putting the new Y bridge in, put everything back on that you just took off, and just work your way backwards and put all the new shit back on. So yeah, you probably won't see too much more of this. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Putting
Maybe,
shit back
I don't know.
together.
I probably forgot everything.
Yeah,
I brought my truck to look at for if I need to figure some shit out.
But yeah, a little update. Next clip you see will probably be Adam starting his truck up probably tomorrow. He said he's probably not gonna get it done today, but yeah, tomorrow we'll see Adam's truck started up. Hopefully, it's been a week now since he hasn't driven his truck, so.
But that's not my fault.
Yeah, it's Adam's fault.
Where did you step on? I keep thinking I'm stepping on important shit.
That's what it sounds like.
I gotta drive it, dude. I gotta drive it. I'm happy.
He really wants to drive it right now. I would.
Look at that, dude. Another successful job.
We'll just wait until tomorrow so you can actually like see everything and make sure everything's all connected. Because if you go out right now, it's gonna be fucking pitch dark. Something's gonna fucking blow.
But it's gonna be faster than shit. Sounds fast.
What?
It sounds fast.
Sounds fast.
That's
Dude,
gotta be fast.
I didn't know the downpipe was gonna make as big of a difference as you told me.
I thought it was honestly gonna sound the fucking same. I just wanted to turn it on. Dude, it sounds way fucking better. Oh, I'm
I'm hard.
behind my boat.
All right, slap that wheel on. We'll go for a spin.